Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page or your home base. Now from here, if you wish to log out from your account or your Supercell ID, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right section and this will now open up the settings page. From here, click on Open alongside the Supercell ID, and this will then take you into the Supercell ID section. Click on the gear icon at the top, and now you can scroll down from the settings menu and you will see the Logout button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your Supercell ID. Go ahead and provide your confirmation and tap on the Logout button once again in order to log out within the Clash of Clans game. After you have been logged out, you can still continue to play the game. However, this progress will now only be stored within your device locally and not within your online account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.